Good afternoon, traders. This is Raksha from Absolute Analytics. I was sharing a view about VBL, the Varun Beverage Limited, that it is a candidate for a swing trade. This video is to explain why it is the candidate of a swing trade and what aspects are making it eligible for that. In a plain view on a weekly time frame, as it is very clear it's a double bottom trade. If we check for the RSI also, the RSI is also rising. And once it just crosses the mark of 50, currently trading at 43.57 as it's weekly. I'll just go on the daily one. I'll just drop down to the daily one. Yes, it has already crossed 50. So, yes, there are quite much chances that this price will be breaking the high of the previous day, that is 463.45. So the reason why it is a candidate of a swing trade is first is this bottom, first thing. Second, if you see, there is a wedge or a triangle kind of a pattern is going on, and it has just tested the bottom here. So quite much possibility of prices coming and testing the high of 498. The target which I have mentioned was 495. But if we be lenient about the prices here, like for the T1, T2s and all, so I would say, as you can see, there's a rejection here, almost at the prices here where the price is rejecting. So this is the immediate resistance, 463. Our first target will be 473 to 480 range. Then the second target will be this range where the prices are being rejecting and reacting prominently. So the second target will be 491. Almost, I would go a little bit. Okay, this one 490, and then 498. So these are the targets here for buy side in VBL. After being entered in the buy side, it has just rejected this price, the high, the previous day high. So of course there is some of the seller selling pressure at this level. My SL is 460, but I am extending my SL, keeping in the view for the swing trade because it's a trade on a daily and weekly time frame. So of course my SL has to be a little bit more lenient, and in more lenient, I would say 58, the low of this, almost the doji which is it been forming. So SL will be 458. So this will be my stop. So I'll color this for red for the visual purpose. Yeah, so this is the stop here, and buy side just waiting for a breakout of 463, and we're free to go. So the double bottom along with the test and rejection of a wedge of a falling descending triangle kind of pattern also. So it's a mixture of everything. So that is the reason it is for the swing trade. Why swing trade? Because I am talking about the weekly time frame as of now, and the weekly time frame almost, it will take almost like 2 to 3 days for sure, minimum 2 to 3 days. Yes, as we're talking, it's going to 462. Closing above 463 will clear all the doubts of any selling pressure, as it will be breaking and closing above the previous day high. That's the easiest and simplest explanation I can provide you for the price action part. Stay tuned for more updates on this strict SL of 458, because if this will be breaching, the prices will be going back down to 430, and that will be very bad for any trading setup. So 458 will be the maximum loss or maximum risk I would like to take on this particular trade. So stay tuned for more updates, and keep yourselves very, very, very calculated, and don't mix your emotions when you're exiting the trade. It's okay to have losses sometimes, but that will save your capital. So that's one takeaway from the psychological trading, psychological aspect. Stay tuned, guys. 2 p.m. Still have the day to clear this resistance, and let's make more profits. See ya.